You gonna brush your hair some more?
No.
No?
The other one does.
You're all done?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
Get a net.
You wanna what?
I'm getting net.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, come over here. Come back over here.
No.
No. Grandma get you over here then. You trying to steal my eraser?
No.
Yeah. I see you. What are you doing?
Cleaning it.
Oh.
I'm cleaning the crayons.
Oh. That's an eraser, baby. You're gonna make it disappear.
Is it crayon?
No.
It's not?
No.
Why?
It's a marker.
Is it a marker?
Mhm.
Can I color the paper on a marker?
How about we work on waking your dad up first?
Okay.
Okay.
Don't close the S. I would kiss it, okay?
Okay. You heard her, Grandpa.
Huh?
Huh?